Okay,
cavity?
here's where we have to be careful. Right here is actually just the opening, the mouth. The oral cavity is this, the space between the tongue and your palate.
Palate. Oh.
Right? The mouth is just the opening, the entrance into the space. The space in there is the oral cavity.
Cavity does. Space.
The oral vestibule is then just inside the lips, basically, which you're not responsible for. I only have oral cavity.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So oral cavity, and then we have hard palate, and then we have soft palate.
That's the tongue.
No, right here.
Yep, careful, because I would say hard palate goes from here to here, because it's showing the white speckled for bone.
Okay.
Then it changes to red for muscle.
Okay.
Soft palate.
Okay.
And this last little extension of the
Uvula.
tip. There we go, uvula. Good.
Okay. Then we have the tongue.
Yeah.
We're not going to be able to identify the glands from here,
No,
will we?
they're on the torso.
Okay. Incisor, canine, premolar, blah, blah,
All
blah.
that was gone, right?
Okie doke. So now we go down to the pharynxes. Oral pharynx is behind the mouth.
Yes.
Okay. And then the laryngeal pharynx is behind the larynx.
Yeah.
And
Careful, because I described it on your handout as the region behind the epiglottis. This is the
the
epiglottis,
epiglottis, so
which makes it
right
from here to
there.
here.
Okay.
Because as soon as you pass this, you're officially in
in
esophagus.
esophagus. Okay.
Okay, the picture you used in class yesterday demonstrated it better, right?
Okay, yeah.
But there's only three pharynxes, right?
Yes, the thing is, naso is never a food passageway, so on the digestive handout it won't be listed.
Okay. Alrighty, so now we have esophagus, and that would be this here. Okey-doke. And esophageal hiatus and sphincter.
We don't see, it's on either the respiratory models, or we also see it right here on the torso. It's where the esophagus punctures through the diaphragm.
Okay. The hiatus.
Esophageal hiatus. The word hiatus means break, right? Like you take a break from work, you take a hiatus. So esophageal hiatus is a break in the diaphragm for the esophagus.
Now, is it also on a standard model?
It is. Because at the bottom of the lung model is the diaphragm, and again, they show the esophagus coming through.
Okay. Now we're into the stomach. The cardiac sphincter. Sorry, the cardiac
Well,
sphincter.
now we can take this
Take that
off,
off.
right?
And that's this sphincter right here. Okie doke. Now we're in. Now this is the stomach. This
Yes.
entire region.
Yes.
Okay. The fundus is the top part right here. The body is this portion, and the lesser pyloric.
Lesser curvature
Lesser curvature.
and greater curvature.
Greater curvature.
You already named fundus is the dome here, and body is here. But remember that the area right near the sphincter gets the matching name, cardiac region,
Okay. So cardiac sphincter, cardiac region.
right? Just like pyloric region is near the
The
pyloric sphincter.
Got it. Okay.
What are the folds in here called?
The rugae.
Yeah.
Okay.
But is this the sphincter and not in here?
No, right. It's this constriction point right
Where
there.
the muscles are.
Oh.
Yeah. Right, this is the pinching spot that would be the regulation of moving food from stomach into this. We're seeing food now go into the duodenum now.
Okay.
For a couple of moments, a couple of students from the other lab want to look over their exam.
Okay.
One moment.